Hi everyone, welcome back to FoxLearn. In today's video, I'll show you how to send an email using Gmail SMTP in ASP.NET Core to confirm an account after registration. Let's get started. First, we'll create a class called Email Settings. Inside this class, add the following properties: server, port, sender name, email, password. These will hold the configuration for sending emails. Next, open the appsettings.json file. We're going to add a new section called Email Settings. Here's how to fill it out. Set server to smtp.gmail.com, port to 587, sender name to your full name, email to your Gmail address, and password to your Gmail app password, not your regular login. Now let's configure Gmail to allow sending emails through SMTP. First, log into your Gmail account and go to Account Settings. Make sure that two-step verification is turned on. Then, search for app passwords. On the app passwords page, enter a name, for example, FoxLearn. Then, click Create. Google will generate a password for you. Copy this password and paste it into the password field in your appsettings.json file. After setting up Gmail, open the program.cs file. We'll register the email settings class so it can read values from the configuration file, like this. Next, open the email sender class we created in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video yet, I recommend checking it out first. Now, let's update the email sender to use the Gmail SMTP configuration. Start by reading the email settings from the configuration. Then, create a new SMTP client. Set the following properties on the SMTP client. Port. Read this value from the port property inside the email settings section of your appsettings.json file. Enable SSL to true. Set the delivery method to SMTP delivery method, which is network. Use default credentials to false. Then, set the credentials using a new network credential and pass in the email and password from your configuration. Now, let's create a method called mail message server. Inside this method, create a new mail message and set the following: the recipient's email address, the email subject, the email body, the sender's name. Finally, call the mail message server inside the sendMail async method to send the email. To enable account confirmation, go back to the program.cs file. Set require confirmed account to true like this. Now add the scaffolded identity pages. When choosing the options, be sure to check confirm email and status message. Each time you scaffold identity, it automatically adds a default identity in your program.cs file. Make sure to remove it, or you'll run into an error like this. If everything is set up correctly, when you register a new account, you'll receive a confirmation email sent through Gmail SMTP. Click the link in your inbox to confirm your account. That's it! You've successfully configured Gmail to send emails and integrated it with ASP.NET Core. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.